Make email marketing work for you in 2023. In 2023, email marketing is still going to be the best way to build your target audience and increase sales conversions. Like all tech-based mediums though, lots can change in a short space of time. What had been working well over the last few years may need a little bit of a tweak in order to incorporate new techniques and trends. With that in mind, we've put together our top 10 list how you can continue to make email marketing work for you in 2023. Optimize for mobile. This one just continues to grow and grow in importance. While optimizing for mobile isn't a new one, spam filters react to senders who aren't optimizing very well for mobile devices. Over the past year, spam filters have really started to actively penalise senders who aren't offering viewers consistency and reliable way to view their emails on all ranges of devices. In particular, this relates to the mailer not using a fluid design to render correctly across all screen sizes. It's really important that your mailer is designed to incorporate the ability to resize for different screen sizes. The other area is file sizes for images. Lots of spam filters will penalise senders who are using image file sizes that will slow down the download on cellular networks. As a rule of thumb, try to keep your images inside 100 kilobytes. Segment your data. In order to increase those engagements and conversions, as email marketers, we should always be looking for trends and viewing stats when looking at our campaign analytics. When we identify groups of people who are engaging with particular products or opening at similar times, we should group these people together. It makes it much easier to prompt engagements. If you are sending people emails based on their preferences and viewing trends, you're going to have a higher hit rate. Segmenting your lists into smaller groups makes it much easier for you to manage campaigns and identify viewers to convert into sales. Removing non-engagers. This one has risen to the position of importance over the last few years. Spam filters are ever placing greater importance on making sure that us email marketeers keep our lists clean and are only sending to people who want to read your email. The filters are now penalising people who send out campaigns that don't receive many reads or clicks. This means that if your list contains people who have stopped reading your emails, then they should really be deleted. Gmail states that any recipient who has not interacted with your email in 150 days should be removed. Take personalization to the next level. Personalization has been a hot topic for a while now, with most of us already sending out emails including the recipient's name in our body text or the subject header. The competition is on to find more ways of personalizing our sends. Email marketing software can hold lots of fields of data in addition to just the email address. So it's worth planning what extra data you can gather. This could be a specific customer info or order history, for example. With the additional use of useful data, you can use MailMerge to include all of this inside your email campaigns. Using very specific, personalized information within your email marketing can really help to build loyalty and drive those conversions. Reward loyalty. Building loyalty is still the best way to generate repeat business from your audience. Whilst you should always be looking to bring in new recipients into your email lists, the often and most overlooked area is your repeat business. You can build loyalty with these people just by offering subscriber-only content discounts. The idea is to keep giving these people new reasons to remain on your list. Find out more about your subscribers. When we look at our email marketing campaign stats, we often don't get past how many reads and clicks we've had. Any decent email marketing software can give you access to a huge depth of information though. You can look at open time trends, mobile versus desktop stats, click profiles. You can also use A/B testing to identify the best performing design, subject or send from address. By looking at all of this information, you can really gain some valuable insights into exactly how and when your viewers like to interact with your digital marketing. Embrace automation to its full extent. Lots of us have been using automation to send out our email marketing. Over the last few years, it's really taken off. Most of us have only really scratched the surface of the capabilities of full automation though. Any decent software will provide the ability to send out a series of welcome emails when a new person joins your list, or track their click choices and follow up with timed emails based around personalizations or their birthday. There are really lots of great ways to employ automation to really explore what it can do for you. Monitor your sender's reputation. Over the last years, spam filters are really upped their game in terms of keeping our inboxes uncluttered. One of the ways they've done this is to penalise senders who don't keep their reputation high. Your email server will have a percentage score. This changes with either negative or positive interactions, such as bounces, reads and clicks, for example. Senders with a lower score often have their sends sent straight through to the spam filter. You can monitor your sender score using services such as senderscore.org. By entering the IP address of your sending server, you can view the results. Integrate all of your digital channels. Digital marketing really comes into its own when you use all of your channels to complement each other. For example, your social feeds are a great way to launch new sign-up campaigns to your email marketing and can be used to showcase your YouTube channel, for example. When you can get all of these channels working together, it really delivers in terms of new traffic and boosts conversions. Simplify your message. Nowadays, we all receive more emails than we did the year before. We're also using mobiles as part of this process to quickly decide what we keep and what we delete. This means that as email marketeers, we need to get through to the point really quickly. The key points to consider here are: keep text to a minimum, use short sentences, use bullet points instead of paragraphs, make buttons large and easily visible, and keep your call to action brief and punchy. Okay, so that completes our top 10 list of how to make your email marketing work in 2023. Hopefully you've taken away some great ideas that you can develop further with your email marketing. Now, thanks for watching. I hope you found this useful and be sure to like and subscribe.